Welcome to Mr. Simon. Today we want to show you how to install the Mr. Simon LinkedIn Chrome extension. The Mr. Simon LinkedIn Chrome extension allows you to pull LinkedIn profiles directly into Mr. Simon for screening and review. If you're watching this video, you should have already received the necessary zip file from your Mr. Simon contact. Please make sure you have downloaded the zip file prior to attempting the installation process. Open your Chrome browser and click Window in the top navigation bar, and then click Extensions. Now, once on the Extensions page, make sure the top right Developer Mode toggle is switched on. Then you can drag the zip file you received from Mr. Simon onto the Extensions page. Once you have added the extension, you will be brought to a page confirming the successful install of the Mr. Simon extension. Now that you have added the extension, here is a quick review of how it works. Go to LinkedIn in your Chrome browser and find a profile you want to bring into Mr. Simon. The Mr. Simon extension should appear on the right side of the profile page. Click the top of the extension to choose the job you are recruiting for. Next, click the center of the extension to add the candidate's LinkedIn profile to Mr. Simon for evaluation and review. You can now add any LinkedIn profile directly into your Mr. Simon account. I hope you found this information helpful, and thanks for watching.